Insta360 X3 unboxing. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. You know how much I love this camera, Insta360 X3. Well, today I'm going to do an unboxing. Probably should have done an unboxing well before now, but just got another one of these today, and I thought, well, I'd better do an unboxing, and let's see what we get in the box from Insta360. There we go, a brand new Insta360 X3. All right, so clearly we have the camera, and I'm just gonna sit that there. Look, I'm just gonna sit it in the box for the moment. Let's get this out here, the accessory box. Oh. All right, so we have charging cable and gel, which is perfect. Then we got a pouch. Nice little Insta360 pouch. Beautiful. That feels really great. Feels really great. All right, then we've got a quick start guide, a waterproof guide, some more paperwork, some safety guides. I love microthrowback cloths, and it's an Insta360 one, beautiful, and a sticker, terrific. I love stickers. All right, so let's get the camera out. Ooh. Peel off some tabs. See if we can hear it. I don't know if you heard that or not, but we'll try. It was a little bit harder than I thought. There we go. There's one lens, two lens. Let's get the box out of the way. Ooh. Beautiful. All right, so USB charging here, and also when you connect the mic adapter, comes in here too. This little door just pops off and pops on, and then just clips in. Battery pops out by those two little lugs, and then the SD card goes in there as well. Clip that back in. On, off. Let's see if there's any power on this beautiful thing. Oh, yep. First power up. Oh, so let's go through. We're going to select English. App. Oh, look, I can't do that because I'm using my phone to record this. There we go, guys. An unboxing of the Insta360 X3. Oh, I love this camera. Absolutely love it. And for safety, we're gonna just slide it in the little pouch. And it's got a little opening there too, to be able to open up the door for charging. How cool is that? That's great. That is so good. Well done, Insta360, for choosing that. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for coming and seeing this unboxing of the X3. Don't forget, if you have liked this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I have many more videos coming up. So hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, this is Colin and the Insta360 X3 out.